Hey everyone, welcome back. Lately, I've been seeing this method pop up all over the internet. People are saying you can get unlimited stars and coins in Disney Solitaire using just your phone. No computer, no special software, nothing complicated. It honestly sounded a bit too good to be true. So I decided to try it myself and see what really happens. In this video, I'll walk you through the whole process step by step and show you the final results. The first thing you need is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile or somewhere in the settings. I found mine pretty quickly and copied it so I could use it in the next step. It's super straightforward, nothing tricky here. Next, I opened up my phone's browser, Chrome in my case, but you can use any browser. I looked up the website everyone's been mentioning for Disney Solitaire Unlimited Stars and Coins. The site loaded without any weird redirects or pop-ups. Everything looked simple and clean, which I wasn't really expecting. Once on the site, I selected my platform. I'm on Android, but there was an iOS option too. Then I pasted in my player ID and double-checked everything before moving on. After tapping the button, the site showed a short loading process with animations. Nothing froze or crashed, it all ran smoothly. Next, it asked how many stars and coins I wanted to add. For this test, I picked the highest amount just to really see what would happen. After confirming, the page went through a few progress bars showing different steps being completed. Everything was easy to understand and well laid out. Before finishing, there was a quick verification step. The site explains it clearly and even gives simple instructions, so it wasn't confusing. I already finished that part earlier, so let's jump straight to the results. I jumped back into Disney Solitaire and checked my stars and coins balance. They were already added. No restarting the game. No waiting. It updated right away. That part genuinely surprised me. So based on my test, the method worked exactly as described. The steps were simple, everything was mobile friendly, and it was easy to follow as long as you pay attention. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tests and reviews. And if you've tried this method yourself, drop a comment and let me know how it went. I read every one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.